Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. And with that being said, welcome to all our new queens and kings. I see you all. Thank you, and I truly appreciate you. Now, with all that being said, I have 3 affordable room decor decorative items that you all can make for the low. If you all would like to see how I create them, why don't you all please continue to watch. All right, queens and kings, so for DIY number 1, I will be using these acrylic gems with a mixture of the Glamorous Rhinestone table scatters that I use in 2 DIYs back, a set of these acrylic bookends here, and then also these gorgeous rhinestone wrap that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, or scripts we should call them. So first thing first is by the adhesive, I'm just basically just gonna place those down the middle of the bookend, basically get the desired look or style that I want to do. So basically I'm just making a rectangle from one end of the bookend to the top of the bookend, you'll see. And I'm gonna keep doing it until I make a complete rectangle. Pretty much that's what I'm going for. All right, so this is how our book ends looking, all cute and simple, just like that. But I'm going to use this Amherst glue. Like I said, about 2 DIYs back, I actually used this using those rhinestone table scatters. And basically I'm going to use a mixture of those as well as those clear gems that also you can find at the Dollar Tree as well. But I did purchase mine from Amazon because you actually get a little bit more for bang for your buck. But I'm just going to do one side, and I'm just going to scatter those on. I'm going to pile them on. I'm basically making like a collage of it, you know, and I'm just going to fill up the rectangle that I made on the bookends. But the thing about this, you will have to let this at least dry 24 hours before you can do the opposite side, or at least let it dry enough. So to help that, I would say get a blow dryer to help it dry faster if you don't want to wait, if you don't have time to wait on it. So with that being said, as I'm applying all the gems and everything on here, I would just be using my hand to press the gems into the glue before I actually top it off with some more glue to hold the gems and everything in place, as you all see that I'm doing here. All right, queens and kings, so here is my bookend. So basically I did the other one off camera as well as the other side of each one of the bookends. But I totally love the way that these came out. I think they are so pretty and so unique and can give any room some type of glam, just a little extra pop of sparkle that you may be looking for. These are the items for you. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel. All right, queens and kings, so for the second DIY here, I'm basically using this Dollar Tree candy bowl as well as a old placemat here, where you all can see I have already cut it out because I used it for previously DIYs. So what I'm going to do is basically measure the width of the candy bowl on this bling wrap. As you all can see, I'm just eyeballing, and I'm going to cut it down to size with a pair of scissors. Now you also can use a box cutter too as well if you don't want to mess up your scissors. Now for the entire candy bowl, I'm going to cover the base, I'm going to cover the stem with this rhinestone wrap until basically I have a finished gorgeous look, as you all see in the beginning. All right, Queens and Kings. So for the base, basically, I'm telling you guys, I'm just going to cut off the excess of the bling right, and I'm going to cut and paste until I fill the entire bottom. I feel like I needed to say this because I feel like someone would ask me this question in the comments, even though I'm telling you all what I did. But that's all I'm doing here, just cutting and pasting to size and until I cover the entire base, because I want this all to look one seamless look, full of nothing but glam and gorgeous and sparkles and beautifulness. Basically, that's what I'm going for here. All right, so this is it. This is how she's look. Now, I'm not worried about the clear base bottom part there. You can always put bling and anything like that, but I didn't feel like going through all that because it's basically gonna be a flower bowl. It can be a dish bowl. It could still be a candy bowl. It could be actually whatever you want to. So here I'm using some Dollar Tree flowers as well as this styrofoam, round styrofoam here, and I'm just gonna glue that to the center. And also I'm just gonna start placing my flower into the styrofoam, and then we're gonna have a gorgeous, beautiful centerpiece. All right, Queens and Kings, and this is basically how I styled her on top of my book. Now, I also use some Totally Dazzle bling brooches. Also, I am affiliated with them. I will leave a link down below, so therefore you all can get your discount on some. But I love the way how this look, and look how beautiful it is now. You can't even see the bottom, the base, or whatever, the clear part that I was telling you all about. But I truly love the way how this look. A gorgeous, beautiful centerpiece, something elegant you can place anywhere, your desk, your bedroom, your closet, your bathroom, whatever, or just give a gift to someone. It's all up to you. Now for the last and final DIY here, I'm going to use some more rhinestone wrap or scripts. I'm going to use the Tea Lights candle holder that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have not seen these in a while, so you can use the regular candle holders too. And then I'm also going to use these crystals here. Basically, they came from off a crystal garland that I will also link down below from Amazon. Then I'm using 2 old Bath and Body Works candle holders, hot glue gun glue sticks, as well as a pair of scissors. So moving along, I'm basically going to glue one of the tea light candle holders to one of the Bath and Body Works candle holders, and for the second one, I'm just going to double up on the tea light candle holders and glue that to the second candle holder, Bath and Body Works candle holder. Pretty much, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all get it. All right, so 2 simple little candle holders. They can actually leave it just like this. It's up to you. So now I'm going to take these crystals, gems, or whatever you want to call them. I basically am just going to glue those around the base of the first candle holder here. And whatever style that I come up with, I'm going to do the same thing for the second candle holder, but I'm going to do it the opposite way, if that makes sense. So now at this point here, I have 2 rows or 3 rows, and I'm actually loving the way that this looks. Now you can just leave it like this. It's all up to you. I really like that look. I think I should have went for that look too as well, but hey, it is what it is. So here for the second one, I did the same thing, but I put it to the top, and I'm gonna also use the rhinestone wrap to bling it out underneath, just to get a little bit more to it, you know, a little more extra bling. You can never have too much bling, they say, but too much of a good thing is anything could be bad. So hey, it is what it is. All right, Queens and Kings, so here is the last and final DIY, my gorgeous, beautiful, sparkle candle holders. And I love the way how these look. Now, you can also use these for in your bedroom, like use it for makeup brushes holders, or whatever you desire you want to put in them. But I also use some Dollar Tree candles as well to light them up and everything to give you guys these final looks. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. I hope you got some type of inspiration, and I hope you guys know that you all can do this on a budget just like I did. So with that being said, queens and kings, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye.